Here it is. Oh no, sorry, this is the fucking small one. Let me get the big one. What have I got in here? That's just a used Mamba, I'm sorry about that. Hold on, let me get it out. There's fucking all sorts of things going on. Oh, there it is, guys. Don't worry, this is as awkward for me as it was for you, but I had that wrapped around my piece this whole time. So, you'll see the one that's petite cobra one day. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Right. This song is dedicated to anyone else who's made a terrible decision in their life. And this song is called Best Advice. It's about a father singing to his son the best advice he can give. So, this is Best Advice. Son, I was going to wait some time before giving you this important advice of mine, but I think you can be safe. There's still time. Cause every day you're growing older, and I wish I had sooner told you you made a big mistake by a madman drover. When you were young and not quite sure about life and what it has in store, which made it hard for you to choose the correct 4x4. But don't you worry about it, don't you panic. You don't have to grow up to be a Land Rover mechanic. You can be safe, my son. Because Land Rovers, they come and go. Notorious for getting stuck in mud and snow. Because the bloody clearance, it's too low. Things will go wrong that you'll never understand. You'll have breakdowns like you've never planned. And I'll have to come along and give you a helping hand. Because Land Rovers have been arriving late, ever since they were founded in 1948. The only thing known not to break is the license plate, which we all know is not made by Land Rover. So listen to the sound, don't be a loser. Go down to Toyota, buy yourself a Land Cruiser. Come on away, life ain't over. Just trade in that bargain. Please, my boy. Don't throw your love away, man. Just get rid of them bloody things.
What is that?
What's so good about the last years and weeks? I'll always be able to find you if I follow the wind.